Imagine waking up at noon, checking your phone, and seeing that you have earned $300 while you were asleep. Not by working. Not by trading your precious time for a paycheck. But because you built a machine that never sleeps. We are living in a strange, new era. The dream of passive income has shifted from a fantasy into a calculated, brutal, technical reality. But here is the secret that the gurus won't tell you: the freedom you are chasing might actually be a cage. Today, we are going to tear back the curtain on how people are automating their entire lives to hit $10,000 a month. This isn't just about money. It is about the terrifying point where the human stops being the creator and starts becoming the janitor of their own digital ghost. To understand this, we have to look at the architecture. Think of it like a plumbing system for information. In the old days, you were the water. You had to physically carry every bucket from the well to the house. That is the manual influencer model. It is exhausting and it has a hard cap on how much you can grow. But now, we have pipes. We have systems like Make.com or Zapier. Imagine a series of dominoes. You push the first one, and the chain reaction does the heavy lifting for you. You are no longer the water. You are the engineer who designed the pipes. It is not magic. It is just logic. If this happens, then do that. It is cold. It is precise. And it is incredibly effective. But pipes alone are useless if you have no water to move. That is where the seismic shift happened in 2023. Before, you could automate the movement of data. But now, you can automate the creation of it. We are talking about large language models that can write scripts, draft emails, and even simulate human personality. I have seen systems that take a trending news article, rewrite it into a viral script, record a voiceover, and push it to social media, all without a single human finger touching a key. It feels like you are playing God. But remember, the machine is only as smart as the prompt you give it. If your input is garbage, your output is nothing but digital noise. Here is the reality of the messiness. I have spent hours staring at a screen, watching a single automation fail because of a tiny, invisible syntax error. It is frustrating. It is maddening. You think you have built an empire, but you have actually built a house of cards. When you automate everything, you lose the ability to feel the texture of your work. You stop being a creator and you start being a monitor. You are constantly watching for the red lights, the error logs, the failed triggers. You are a prisoner to the system you built to free yourself. The maintenance is the trap. You trade your work hours for worry hours. Is the system running? Did the API crash? Is the account shadow banned? It never stops. So why do 90% of these ventures fail? Because they lack the one thing that machines cannot replicate. They lack a soul. In a world where AI can churn out 1,000 articles a minute, human connection becomes the ultimate luxury. If your content is just a generic stream of automated data, the audience will smell it instantly. They will tune you out. The only way to survive the sea of automation is to inject yourself back into the architecture. You need the human story. You need the grit. You need the flaws. Automation should be the lever that gives you more time to be human, not the excuse to stop being one. Use the machine to scale, but never let the machine dictate the message. We started this journey asking how to make $10,000 a month while you sleep. We found that the answer is not in the tools. It is in the mindset. The true value is not the post, or the email, or the product. It is the logic. It is the ability to see a process, break it down, and build a system that runs on its own. But ask yourself this: if you succeed, and your life becomes fully automated, are you the captain of your ship? Or are you just the person who paid for the fuel? The freedom you want is real, but it comes with a cost that most people are not willing to pay. Thanks for exploring this with me. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.